Okay, here we are to finish up Chapter 4 test. This is for CP Geometry. And I said we would finish 14 to 20. And here we go. Let's look at 14. I'll figure out a way to take this picture, make it a little bit bigger, because it's kind of hard to see up there. But anyway, not that you care that much. Here we go, number 14, angle CAD. CAD. Let's put a little arc right there just to show what angle we're looking for. So this is the angle that I'm trying to find. Well, look, they only give me the value of one angle, that's 92 degrees, but they give me something very important. They give me the length of AD and CD are equal to each other because of those two little tick marks right there. So if these two sides are equal to each other, that means the angles opposite those two sides, this one up here we're trying to find, and this one down here, they're equal to each other. They're exactly the same. So what I can do is, I don't know either one of these, but I do know that all three of these add up to 180. So what I can do is take 92 away from 180, and I can figure out what this is. So if I go 180 minus 92, that gives me 88. It doesn't mean that this is 88 degrees. It means this is 88, or sorry, this plus this is 88 degrees. Now, if they're both exactly the same, then what can I do? I can just take half of 88 because they're both exactly the same. All right, so this is 44 degrees. That's all there is to it. Okay, so that angle right there is 44. Well, this one right here is 44 as well. All right, but on number 14, they're just asking us for that one. So number 14, I'll write it down, is 44 degrees. All right, let's take a look at number 15. Same picture, same information, different angle we're trying to solve for. Angle ACD, let's find that, ACD. Well, how about that? That's the angle that we found earlier, all right, angle ACD. So I don't have to do any work for that. I already did the work. So number 15 is the same exact angle, which is 44 degrees as well. All right, let's keep going. Number 16. Number 16 says angle ACB. Where's that? ACB. That's this big angle right here. You could do this two ways. If you like addition, you could do it by addition. If you like subtraction, you can do it by subtraction. Watch, this is an exterior angle. These are two remote interior angles. If you wanted to, you could just add those together. 92, let's do it down here like this, plus 44 is what? 136. I kind of like addition better than subtraction, and that's a nice easy way to do it. Or if you would rather do it by subtraction, look, these two form a straight line. Do you see it? From here all the way to here, that's a straight angle. So we know a straight angle is 180 degrees, so you can take 44 away from 180. So I can go 180 minus 44, okay, if you want to do all that kind of stuff, that's a 6. And let's see, that's a 13, right? There you go, 136 degrees. Either way you do it, you still get the same answer. It doesn't matter. Now, of course, you don't have to go through that twice like I did. I just did it to show you could get it two different ways. All right, let's do number 17. 17 is angle ABC. ABC. So it's this one. I'll put two little arcs right there. So it's that angle right there. This looks very similar to what we did earlier, because look, this side has one tick mark, this side has one tick mark. All right, so that means, now remember, I know this angle right here, that's 136 degrees. So that means these two angles up here and down here are going to be equal to each other. So they all add up to 180, so I could go, you could do this a couple different ways, but I'll do it like this. This is pretty straightforward. So 180 minus 36, okay, and that would be 44 degrees. So these two add up to be 44 degrees, but they're equal to each other. All right, they're exactly the same. So basically, I take 44 divided by 2, right? Divided by half. I hate to say divided by half. Anyway, divided by 2, take half of it, and that's 22 degrees. So 17 is 22 degrees. And that's all there is for 14 to 17. It's probably a nice little problem. All right, let's finish this up. Do 18 to 20. We'll be finished. That was quick. All right, number 18, here we go. We've got a triangle. We've got two equal sides right here, and they give you one angle up top, and you got to answer some of these questions. This is pretty simple. If you can do 14 to 17, you can definitely do 18 to 20. So let's see, EF. Got to find that length right there. Well, it's nice they told you this length, and they told you that these are equal to each other. So if this is 7, then that's 7. It's as easy as that. So number 18 is 7. Number 20, angle D. Find angle D. Well, we did this twice up here. we want to find angle D. Now remember, these two sides are equal to each other, so the angles opposite those equal sides are equal to each other as well. So if this is 40, you take all three of those, you add them up to 180, and so you take 40 away from 180, let's just do the math, we'll show it. So it's 180 minus 40 is 140 degrees. It does not mean that this is 140 degrees. It means this one and this one right here add up to be 140 degrees. So that means you take half of it, so we'll take that, we'll divide it by 2, and that's 70 degrees. So angle D is 70 degrees. Angle F is even easier since you just did the work on it. Angle F is the same as angle D, so that's going to be 70 degrees as well. So on number 20, it's also 70 degrees. And that's it. That's your Chapter 4 test. And we got one more to do.